Anaphylaxis is a severe allergic reaction that can develop within seconds or minutes of being exposed to an allergy trigger or allergen. A person who is experiencing anaphylaxis may have trouble breathing or go into shock. What is a pathogen? A pathogen is the first link in the chain of infection. It is anything that causes a disease, including bacteria, viruses, and fungus. We are considered exposed when we have been in contact with a pathogen. For this clinical trial, the pre-filled safety syringe is a device used for subcutaneous injection. Do not aspirate the syringe once the needle is inserted. Possibly the most common side effects of any prescription drug are gastrointestinal issues, including nausea, because most drugs go through the digestive system to be absorbed. Other common after effects include drowsiness, pain, and skin reactions. The robotic surgical system has brought minimally invasive surgery to more than 3 million patients worldwide. Surgeons operate through just a few small incisions. The system features a magnified 3D high-definition vision system and tiny wristed instruments that bend and rotate far greater than the human hand. As a result, the surgeon can operate with enhanced vision, precision, and control.